Greetings traders, this is Nick from statsfortrading.com, here to show you a quick video on how to create a reversal bar in Bloodhound. This is a brand new YouTube channel, so we hope you support us here. So here I have crude oil loaded with Renko bars. This is a Renko, and of course the reversal bar for this video is for Renko bars. It doesn't really matter which Renko bars you're using. So let's create a new template. We're going to just call it SFT day trading here. We'll just overwrite that one. All right, this is really easy. So we just want to create a new solver. We're going to pick an indicator inflection solver. We're going to add that. We're going to rename it to RB for a reversal bar. Of course, you can name it anything you want. And all we have to do here is select price. And there we go. That's all there is to it. See, we have our racing stripes on every reversal bar. So I hope that helps you. You can, of course, implement various solvers into your programming. For me, in my trading, the reversal bar is key. So I thought I'd share that with you.